Hello, I may put this particular segment of video in some sort of compilation of like Christmas occurrence things. Clearing my throat. Yeah, Christmas occurrence things. The Thomsons are coming tomorrow, so we're going to have a buffet, so I'm going to just make a few pieces for them. My sister Emma criticised me for not using homemade pesto sometime, sort of. Was it direct? I can't remember if it was direct, but yeah, she said she should make pesto. So got bloody expensive pine nuts, and we're gonna make pesto, and that's gonna go in some sausage rolls. So we're gonna make a few types of sausage rolls. I was gonna do, oh yeah, I can still do it actually. Some caramelized onion sausage rolls, spiced, yeah. So I'm gonna crack on with that. Let's go. And so, oh, I'm making M&M's cookies as well, so yeah.
Hi, I'm Eric Kim. I'm a cooking writer for the New York Times food section. Today I'm going to show you how to make my M&M cookies.
Okay, so the spiced onion is caramelizing. I'm not sure about that, maybe I don't chop it too fine. And the cookies have just gone in, so they're starting to spread out and bake. Okay, so the pesto is now made. I'm going to be putting pesto on top of sausage rolls. Looks alright. Cookies are out mostly. There's a couple more just in there. They are looking and tasting good, so that's cool. I'm going to start the sausage rolls now. Slightly of the big. Hello everyone!
I'm going to put a couple in both.
So the Thomson family have come to visit today. Hello everyone.
Hello.
Welcome.
Hello.
How have you been?
Good, thanks. Good.
Yeah, good, thank you. Yeah, real strong. We're happy to be having some Christmas fun today, aren't we?
Absolutely.
So yeah, good. Let's crack on.
Come out. Maybe take one side out.
What are we doing? Is thanks hashtag we didn't pay. It's the old Haribo box there.
See the benefits of your uncle being, you know,
sweeten the carpets out.
magnate.
Is this enough?
Oh.
Yeah.
I think we might need to put some just on one side.
The absolute patience.
I'm going to open my cards first. These are all mine.
There you go.
My pile goes here.
How's your pile, Emma? Or piles?
This is my pile. And yes, I know.
What is it? Oh, how cool's that?
So
So
thank you.
that's
I
okay.
know it was going to be Lego because I can hear it.
Yeah, it's easy to tell, innit?
That looks
So
good.
I think that one is like a decorative jewelry box or something. But you get like, is it a Epona? Is that her name?
A pona?
Yeah, is that the horse's name? Oh, Knock. Oh, why do I think it's a Epona? That's weird.
I got Cinderella and I got Elsa.
Oh wow.
That's I'm collecting princesses.
Yeah, maybe it is Knock. Yeah.
Oh, glitter everywhere, honestly. Who would have so much?
Trixie's got the right idea. Cards, get the cards out of the way first, innit, Trix? Yeah, that's
Oh,
it.
it is glitter, isn't it?
Hey, you're going to have to rip off a bit more than that, mate. You'll be here till Easter.
I've got tissue paper.
Was this your doing, Claire, or this black tissue paper? Yeah.
I don't know, I just thought I'd be awkward.
Well, no, it's good.
There's more quite a lot of
Probably have to cut that. Yeah.
some earrings.
Oh, look!
Got more.
Oh,
Oh,
look!
look at that.
Oh, gorgeous.
What are you? Earrings.
No, it's a bracelet.
Well done, Claire. Good choices. Good choices.
I'm gonna open this one now. What is it? It's bows!
Yay!
I wanted some bows.
You're on
Oh,
that
good.
in a shop, actually.
Yeah.
Gonna open.
Pass on the paper.
I'm gonna open this one now.
Oh, give it a shake. you given it a shake?
It's broken.
It's a book, but I don't know what book.
Careful then.
Can you open it? I know it.
Let's do it.
Yeah, the old tape can get a bit tasty. Try ripping the paper in the middle bit. See if that works. So flip it around. Try ripping that bit that's already off.
Yeah, down the bottom.
We're pro unwrappers here.
Read it. Thomsons, yeah. What's it called?
Christmas.
Christmasaurus.
So it's like a Christmas dinosaur, isn't it?
That'd be a nice one, wouldn't it?
Yeah, a nice Christmassy one.
Thomsons book, babe.
I got Lego! A Lego book! I wanted it!
Oh wow, good.
Have a look. What is it?
That's why I've been asking for Glen and Grandpa. I want one of them.
What?
I'm gonna open it. Mama, can you read
Oh,
it?
right.
Which one did you ask for a specific one, Scarlett?
She didn't ask for it.
Oh.
You never asked for it.
Oh, very pretty.
What is it?
So they're notebooks, so you can write stuff in there.
There's hundreds of notebooks.
Yeah, you're gonna be well stocked for a while. To be fair,
Trixie, there's hundreds of notebooks in there.
I think there's 4, but
Okay.
Thank you.
that's okay.
Got one more.
Well, that'll be good for you, won't it? I always ask for A4 paper.
We've got notebooks as
I
well.
got a notebook.
Excellent.
Mini ones for Trixie, big ones for the big gilt.
Oh my days. What is that?
This is why I open presents in the morning.
Oh, that's nice, babe.
What is it?
Should we take
It's
that?
like a jumper in it, I think. Jumper with like a turtleneck, is it?
Hat, not a hat.
Jumper. Oh, lovely.
Very nice.
Clothes that always needed, aren't they?
Yeah.
Ta-da, they're nice. Let's be appreciative, please. Nice, aren't they? You need trousers. That's excellent. Thank you very much, Auntie Claire.
It's okay.
Forgot who they were then, did you?
Oh, similar sort of stuff over here.
Very nice.
Oh, excellent.
Cricket
Yeah,
jumper.
how lovely is that?
Umpire Trixie. And then some similar.
There's some ones for Trixie and me here.
What'd you say? They're nice,
Thank
isn't it?
you.
Oh,
Trixie, do
Faberuni.
you want to open the ones? I want to open this one.
Oh, they got
You can
two.
open that one.
They got 2 joint
They're
ones.
both together.
Wow, both together.
You open that one.
Yeah.
And I'll open this one.
Well organised, guys. Well organised.
Mama, I'm just going to fold this when I get home.
Yes.
Scarlett, I open this and you open it. Right, let's do it this way.
Oh yeah. So yeah, these we thought we'd do both to both of you because we couldn't decide who to give what. So you're just gonna have to share both.
What are they?
So I think one of them's bath powder, is it?
Have a look.
Is that a powder? Yeah, bath powder stuff. So yeah, you can share them.
I will open this one.
Groovy. What'd you say?
Thank you.
That's okay.
We need to slide that bow off again. That's what we're doing.
Do this.
Not now. Because you'll lose the bits. You don't need
Yeah,
to.
you will lose the bits to be
And
fair. I'm quite jealous of that actually, Scarlett, because not only have you got the cool horse in there, I think have you got a slide element as well? Is there a slide in there? I can't remember. Well, and also actually I think that has got a brand new key element, which I don't even have. So you're one up on my Lego collection there, which I'm a bit, to be honest, Scarlett, I'm a bit angry about. So yeah, but yeah, enjoy it. So I'm not actually angry.
wait.
I'm jealous. Yeah, not angry. Oh, here we go.
What is it?
So, also to share, these ones are like blocks.
Bath fizzers.
Yeah, pretty cool. Thought
It's
that
a
sounded
dolly
quite fun.
box. The key comes out so you can slide it.
Scarlett.
Yeah,
bath
very
fizzers.
cool. Very cool.
Oh, yay!
So yeah, that's, I think they're slabs that you put in, aren't they? Which is pretty cool. Yeah, nice.
Nice.
Now let's do the other presents.
No, because
Let's do the
you
other
can't transport that back.
guys.
No.
You open it when you get home, okay? It's alright.
Alright, Scarlett, I'll make you a deal, yeah? If you build that when you get home, right?
No,
You can build something very small here. Shall I go and root something out? Yeah, I'll go and root something out.
Okay, everyone.
Here we go, we're giving the girls some education.
Right, get the barrel, hold it.
Donkey Kong Country 2 Diddy's Conquest. Hold down Y or press Y.
Jump,
no,
quick,
no.
jump!
Oh, cut that fine. Yeah, if you hold down Y and then walk, yeah, you can either throw it or walk into an enemy.
Woohoo, here we are.
No, Scarlett's mummy.
You've got to die first.
Or if Scarlett presses select.
Oh, yes.
Oh, actually, I don't know, it might be a different button actually. Well done, that's good. Oh, you want the K?
Jump.
Jump on those barrels and get the K. So remember that
That's right, that's it. Now jump.
when you jump in the air, you can choose the direction as well. So if you go left and jump, hold down left and jump at the same time.
Yeah.
Yeah, on the D-pad. That's it. Yeah, that's it. That's it. On your left thumb. Yeah, if you hold that down. That's it. That's it. And then hold that down and then jump at the same time. That's it. That's it. That's it. And then you can jump whilst going along.
Or just walk.
You're going back. You're going the wrong way.
Getting used to it, yeah. That's
Let me
it.
have a go. Let me show you how it's done.
No,
It's
no.
right, Emma. Let the girls just play themselves.
I'm learning.
Oops, sorry, Trixie.
I mean, you can't excuse me, Trixie.
Oh, here we go, Trixie. You're missing your go now.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, Emma's
Oh, here
there.
she goes, yeah.
What do I press?
Oh, this is memory.
Woohoo! Again. Oh, hang on. I don't know how to.
Yeah. So I think ideally you want to be using the
That one.
The D-pad.
D-pad.
It's not doing anything.
So yeah. Okay. So right. Okay. Now it's Ramby the Rhino. Do you know who Ramby the Rhino is?
No.
He's in that box. There he
The
is.
crocodile.
No, right.
Oh, I remember that. Oh,
Oops.
snake bugger.
Are you allowed to say that?
Yeah.
Oh, decent. Cute girl set? Nah. Probably not.
I'm gonna keep my drink with me.
Yeah? This one here?
Can we do the food review?
Do you want to do a food review?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah?
what's happened now?
Oh. Was that me? No, it's probably, no, it's you, I think. I think you pressed the wrong button. It is a small and cumbersome way to control it, to be fair.